A bypass heart surgery reroutes blood around blocked arteries. Coronary bypass surgery creates a new pathway for blood to reach heart muscle when arteries become severely blocked. During the operation, surgeons take a healthy blood vessel from another part of the body, often the chest, arm, or leg. This vessel is then carefully connected above and below the blocked section of a coronary artery. One end is attached to the aorta, or another major artery carrying oxygen-rich blood. The other end is sewn into the coronary artery beyond the blockage. This newly created route allows blood to flow around the obstructed segment. Instead of forcing circulation through a narrowed artery, the heart receives oxygen through a completely new vascular pathway.